Okay, as promised, I'm going to purchase an image from Pics from space and see what I can do with it. My goal here is to grab a cool shot, throw it into QGIS, add some labels, some coordinates, just kind of dress it up a little bit, and have a product that I can put on my Etsy store and maybe sell a few and make my money back. Right. So I've got Venice here. From May 23rd, 2023, a 75 centimeter pics per pixel image, $162. So I'm gonna purchase this thing, right? So I'm gonna add this to my cart. I had that one in there before, and then buy it, see what happens, right? So let's go. So proceed to checkout. I'm gonna add my information and figure out how to block this. And that's it. I've got the terms of service and the end user licensing agreement. I've checked, and I think I can do this. We'll see. So let's go. Let's place the order. And I will get an email on that. So I'm going to go grab that image, dump it into QGIS, and I'll be right back. Okay, I've got the email from Pics from Space. Check that. I guess might take a little bit, but it's says that they've got it. I can check the status of my order. If I log in and go to my dashboard, here is that collection, and it's submitted. And when it's ready, we'll come back and, like I said, pop it into QGIS. Okay, it's been about 24 hours, or maybe less than that. Got the email saying that my image is ready and it's been purchased. And now when I go to my dashboard, it says complete, and here's where I download it. It's about a 200 megabyte GIF file, GeoTIFF file, and all the information I have here and invoices and all the receipts I need are also here as well. Okay, I've got my image. I dragged it into QGIS, and here it is. I also went and did my color grading per the instructions that you have and as part of this course, and we brightened it up, got the blues to pop a little bit, a little more crisp, and that's what we've got. I also added some labels. Again, you have instructions on that, and we'll keep working on that, and then moved it into a layout, a 50 by 70 centimeter layout, about 20 by 27, I think that is, to get this, and ultimately, export it off, and it's ready to go, and that's it. So, I'm probably going to play around with the labels and spend a little more time with all the little details as I tend to do. But there we go. I think we have a product. We think we have something great. These images are awesome. I'm really looking forward to playing around with these Soar CG images more in the future. I think you're going to enjoy them, and so go make something cool. All right, cheers.